Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples, and we're really building our faith. So if you want to build your faith, just follow me. And if you want more people to build for them faith, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody where you know. And if you not do it yet, may I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Mark chapter 6 from verse 45 to verse 52. Jesus making special follower them go in at the boat same time and go back cross Bethsaida. But him turn which part him did there till he done send where the people him. After he tell the people bye-bye, him go up in at the mountain for pray. When evening come, Jesus did still the way him did there. Him one, and the boat did in at the middle of the sea. Him could have said them did a struggle hard for row the boat, cause the breeze did a blow against them. When day did soon light, Jesus walk on top of the water, go out which part them there, cause him did want pass them. When them see him a walk on top of the water, them did think I want dopey. So them ball out, cause all of them did see him, and then did catch them afraid. But him talk to them same time and say, "Wanna take heart, I'm me man, nobody afraid." Then him go in at the boat with them, and the breeze tap. And them did shock so till, cause even though them did see the miracle what Jesus did do with the fish and the bread, them still never understand the power we him have, cause they head did tough. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.